Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be my weekly plan with me. And I've kind of gotten into a rhythm of what it is that I want to do with my planner, which is the vertical hourly extension pack from Happy Planner. I am using the classic size. I have multiple videos on this planner. I will be sure to link them in the description box. But for this spread, I'm pretty content on what I have going. What I have laid out is working. So I'm going to show you this previous week. I have my priorities at the top, as you can see, and I did highlight Sunday to be like a little fun corner because it is the start of my team's football season, even though the season started on the 5th, but you know, everybody plays on the 8th. Well, majority of the teams. I did put in my workout. I put in my work schedule, any appointments. I actually have some things I need to touch up, but that will be done later. Let's get into next week's spread. This is going to be fairly quick because I pretty much have the same goals and my priorities. I'm going to be writing those in daily the night before, as they will change from day to day. So let's start off with over here my top 3 goals of the week. So I'm going to put my daily writing, and I'm thinking of putting in a habit sticker. I'm going to see if it'll fit, if there's one in here. Yeah. Let me see. So these are the habit stickers from the journaling sticker book, and these are the ones that I'm looking at. So I think I'm gonna cut the top off and just use the bottom portion. And then put that there. And I'm gonna leave space for the next one so that I'm not like overlapping this like crazy. Of course, you could save the other part to the sticker. I'm not going to though. I am gonna try to even that out a little bit. All right, so that's the first one. And then the next one, I want my daily videos. And then the third one is working out. They also have this option as well, which would be good to do as a tracker, but I kind of like the days of the week one, so I'm going to go with that one. So just cut that off. And lay that there. And then the last one is my daily workout. I've been pretty good this week at working out. I did not work out Friday night though because I was sick. I have this cold and I know it's due to the change in temperature. So now the notes section, I liked what I did last week. I put in my to film, what I wanted to film this week. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to use also from this journaling sticker book. I saw some stickers that I haven't used in a while. And I'm going to use this little banner one just to cover this up. And I'm just going to put to film. So I have voiceovers that I want to do. I have some of those coming this week. I either have 2 or 3 of those that I'm going to be doing, and then also my Fibonacci content planner, and then my memory planning, which is going to be for the week of 9/16. And then I'm trying to think what else I have going on. My weekly budget. And then I just go in and check them off as I go through. I'm going to put in faith planning. And then my self-care Saturday. I think that's it. And then I have another one. I might end up trying to film this week. We will see. That's at the bottom of the list. But that is how I am making the most out of my sidebar. The sticker is crooked. Okay. So now moving on to this portion of the hourly. I'm going to go ahead and take from the Colorful Boxes sticker book. I really did like what I did last week with the stickers going across. So I'm actually going to start off with my little Pear Tea Girl. I think it's inside of here, the workout one that I have. Let's see. Oh man, I bent those. Didn't mean to do that. Here they are. All right. This is literally like the Etsy stickers that I have piled into here. I do want to get another box that's large like this. Thankfully, my area now has a Daiso, so I'll probably get it from there. But anyway, I'm just going to cover this time frame here, the 7 and 8 a.m. And then I'm going to grab from the Supermom sticker book. I'm going to get the one that says workout. And honestly and truly, these are also good if you wanted to cut them down the middle. So I might end up doing that as well. Now I'm going to go in and put in my work schedule. So like I said, these are stickers that you could cut. And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save the other half of the sticker. And I'm just going to go in here and put work. Actually, I'm going to do it how I did it last week, which is actually pretty nice because I can then line that. Okay, now for the fun part of the spread is just adding in my payday, any bills due, and any appointments I need to keep track of. And I call this the fun part because I'm using more stickers and not just pen to paper. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the first appointment I know of, which is actually my grandma's. I keep track of all hers. So she has that. And then on, let me actually pull up my budget page and see what I have going on this week. And I have, where is it? Here. On this day, I have T-Mobile due, so I'm going to go ahead and just use one of these. Now I'm just gonna pop it right here. I'm gonna put auto here. I'm trying to think, do I have anything else in this week? Well, actually I do. So the other one that I'm gonna use is, if I have another one. Yes, I do, because my sister gave me some of hers. So here on Saturday, I'm going to put another one, which is for my car note. So I'm going to put that amount in. And then I'm thinking, is there anything else that I need to pay in this week? And that is a no. Everything else will wait for the next week. And now I need to track the football game. So I have my Steelers schedule here, which I did a video on. So here it is. If you guys would like to see how I made that, I'll link it. We are playing the Seahawks, and I believe that is a 1 o'clock game. I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm going to get my small football sticker that I have here, and I'm gonna label it here, and I'm just gonna put Steelers, and we are versing the Seahawks. So however long the game lasts is however long it lasts. And then at the very bottom, I think I'm just gonna put an asterisk and put Clash of Champions for the pay-per-view, because that comes on. Actually, it comes on at like 7. So I'm just going to write in Clash of Champions. And that is the wrestling pay-per-view. And my brother and I will be recording more than likely after that, if not Monday night. But that is it. I don't really add a lot of other stickers to my spreads. I keep it super simple. I leave the stickers for my memory planning, and that's going to be coming soon as well. I have a memory plan with me coming it's going to be football themed. So that's it. Now the other thing that I move over from week to week is this sheet that I have here, which has all of my video stuff for the remainder of the year, how I keep up with it. Now I do plan that in my monthly as well, but this I'm able to move from week to week, and this is going to be going into my content planner for reference as well. Then I have another one. This actually belongs here. Only other thing I need to make is a half sheet for the photos I want to take this week. So I'm just going to grab that and use this. And then I'm going to actually take one of these Maggie Holmes stickers, because I know that there's a camera in here somewhere. I just have to find it. Here it is. That's the one that I wanted. I'm just going to pop that down there and go ahead and put some boxes, since I draw them in myself, and then go back over that like so. Boom. Simple planner spread done, and it took me really no time at all to really jot everything down. It's pretty much the same from week to week in terms of my work schedule, but that is it for this spread. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions that you have in the comments section below. Also, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, products featured in this video, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys have not joined the Chaotic Critic family, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And for all of my friends that have, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.